Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we have another beautiful wig that comes to us from Sam's Beauty. This wig is from the Stylist and it's absolutely gorgeous. You're going to want to see this. So stay tuned to get all the information on this gorgeous wig. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we have another wig review that's sponsored by Sam's Beauty. So this wig is from the Stylist. It is from their Invisible Lace. It's a human hair master blend. There are 4 wigs in this collection. I have 2 of them from Sam's Beauty out of this collection. These are pre-plucked. They come with natural hairline. So the one we're going to be reviewing today is going to be Athena. She is a 13x6 and she does come with tinted lace. Okay, you guys, so this is the wig on, and as you can see, I am loving that this lace is tinted already, so it blends in really well. I'm just trying to figure out where I want to situate it. Now this is a 13x6, so you can part it anywhere. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to go in and get the hairs back. You do get baby hairs in the front, or a couple of shorter pieces in the front. So what I'm doing is I'm pushing it back because I am going to wear it like as a middle part because I like that. So I'm going in and I'm just tweezing just a little bit, just to make sure that I define where that parting area is, and you can actually, you know, see where that transition is, and it's like nice and clean. So I'm just going in with my tweezers and I'm just taking my time and I'm just pulling a little bit of hair out of there. And then the spray that I'm using is going to be some of my bed head. I'm just using a little bit of that around the hairline. That's just to get the hair to go back, and then I'm going to cut off the lace. Now as you guys see, you all know I cut my lace off kind of ragged so that way it doesn't, you know, give it away too much. But with this darker lace, I feel like it was like easy. Like once I cut it off, I feel like you could actually, you know, see how it was pre-plucked or whatever. Now the hairline is still thick for those who really want their like hairline pluck, but I feel like if you're someone who like lazy and don't like plucking, then, you know, like myself, then you'll be okay. So that's what I was going for. After I went in and I did that, then I started to decide what I wanted to do as far as my sides. And so I'm pulling the hair up and I'm going to take a couple pieces down. That way you can just see the lace and it makes it look like, you know, just look more natural. Now I decided to go ahead on and glue this one down. I am going to be using my bow hole liquid gold, and I'm just going to do it right around the front of the forehead there. And as you see, I'm not touching my edges because I want to keep them, sis. So I'm just putting a little bit. I am going to bring the wig down somewhat just because, like I said, I didn't want to get it on my hairline. So I'm going to blow dry it, bring it down, and then lay it there. I'm pulling the sides because I'm not putting the sides down since I'm going to wear it as a middle part, and I'm just showing you guys. But as you can see, it like holds down really good and it blends in super well. I'm so glad they sent this wig over because you guys, I have been sleeping on the Stylist. Like I would have not even like considered this wig, but it's super pretty and so easy to work with. Once I did that and I tied it up, this hair just laid down effortlessly, and it looks so natural and so good. The knots on it look well, the cap construction fit really good, and it was just great. Stay tuned for some of my pros and my cons really quick. I do have some. I am using my blow dry brush, and this thing is excellent. Like it like made the hair even better. So you guys stay tuned for my pros and my cons. So this pretty much is the final look for this wig, and I think she's cute. I love her. I think that she is a great wig. I think that they did a good job on this. Now, like I said from the beginning, I've been sleeping on the Stylist. I don't think I have any wigs from this brand. So I'm so glad that Sam's Beauty ended up sending me this one, or allowing me to pick out this one. Now, I will have another one, I think, coming up from this company as well. So make sure that you guys have subscribed to the channel and you turn on your notifications and all, so you'll be notified on the next one, because I think you're really going to like that one as well. I just peeked into the box, but I think you're going to like it. This one here is gorgeous. I just keep looking in the mirror because it's like the perfect density and everything. I only have really like 2 cons when it comes to this wig, and the only 2 cons I have is I did get some shedding, or maybe 3. I did get a little bit of shedding with it. The lace does fit ear to ear, but for me it did kind of fall short on this side, and I don't know if I would have left a little bit of lace to cover my edges. With it being a dark color, I'm okay with that. And that's pretty much it, I guess. So I guess I only had really like those 2 cons when it came to it. All in all, I really do like this wig. I think this wig is beautiful. I think it's gorgeous. I'm glad that you can part it a bunch of places and do some styles with it. I do plan to do some more styles with her. You can do a deep part on this side. You could do a deep part on the right side. You could do it in the middle. You could pull this hair into a ponytail. Like I said, you can pretty much do anything you want with it. And if you get your sides down like that, then you can also pull it up. And everything. So I think that she is really pretty. If you guys are interested in purchasing it, I'm going to leave you the link to Sam's Beauty. Please go over there and check them out. Maybe you don't want this wig, maybe you want another wig. They are running sales on their site. I thank them again for just pouring into my channel. I really appreciate them, and thank them for sending me the wig, because this wig in this brand, I would have overlooked it. I honestly would not have thought to pick it up, because I'm so used to just dealing with a lot of the other brands. But this one here is really pretty, you guys. If you like straight hair, this is gorgeous, and the hair texture, everything on this is great. I absolutely love it, love it, love it, love it. I feel like it's about what, an 18 or 20, something like that. So it's really pretty. So thanks again to Sam's Beauty for sending over the wig. I appreciate you guys stopping by the channel and watching today. If you have not, please consider subscribing. Returning subscribers and YouTube babes. Hey girl, hey, how you doing? Thank y'all so much for stopping by and joining me and watching the video. If you guys decide to share this video or any of my videos on your social media platform, I highly recommend that you do. Don't forget to tag me in it. I want to know. I want to know. My name is Beautybymark. I will see you ladies and gentlemen in my next video. Bye.